What's up guys, this is Shyamalan from Monster Pen Warriors, and today I'll show you one of my favorite Google Chrome apps. So you can find it in the Chrome Web Store. You type in stylish in the search bar. I already have it installed, and pretty much you can figure out by yourself how to install it. So it's an app that pretty much customizes your websites like 9gag, and the way to do that is you click on it, then click on find more styles, and you choose the one you like. Then you click install, and that's pretty much it. You just have to wait a couple of seconds. If you don't like it, you can disable it or even delete it. Then if you know HTML, you can edit it, but that's not my specialty. And that's pretty much it. This is Shyamalan out.